Is it the right time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? Today, we'll be taking a deep dive into QQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 16, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from January 5, 2024, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate, with a score of 1.15. Now, let's delve into how this stock has performed during this period. Over this time, the stock has experienced a gain of 3.22%. This means that on average, it has yielded a return of 0.46% per day since being labeled as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently experiencing a strong rising trend in the short term, indicating a potential further rise within this trend. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected 16.96% change over the next 3 months. This could result in a return between 13.67% and 20.97%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a suggested 36.83% change over the next year. This could potentially lead to a return between 22.93% and 39.3%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $503.42 to $570.45 after 1 year. Our latest update for the QQQ ETF brings exciting news. The ETF has been upgraded from hold/accumulate to a buy candidate after Tuesday's trading session. On Tuesday, the QQQ ETF price experienced a slight decline of -0.0098%. It went from $409.56 to $409.52. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.05%, reaching a low of $406.84 and a high of $411.12. In the past 10 days, the price has risen on 6 occasions. Additionally, the trading volume increased by 8 million shares, despite the falling prices. This could potentially be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. The total shares bought and sold amounted to approximately $17.86 billion, with a total of 44 million shares being traded. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the QQQ ETF reached its highest price at $412.92 and its lowest at $273.89. Currently, the price is 0.82% below the 52-week high, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Only $3.40 separates the current price from its peak. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for the QQQ ETF. Currently, the ETF is showing mixed signals. On Wednesday, December 27, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -0.481%. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is reached. Additionally, there is a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Yesterday, volume increased as prices fell, which could be an early warning sign that requires closer monitoring of the ETF. However, there are positive indicators as well. The QQQ ETF has buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Furthermore, the relationship between these two signals also indicates a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In terms of support levels, corrections downward can find some stability at $406.34 and $400.16. It's important to note that if the ETF breaks below any of these levels, it will trigger sell signals. Let's explore some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 13 days ago. Bollinger Bands have given a buy signal 18 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buy signal 48 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average has given a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggests a buy signal 50 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 37 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the ETF has some key support levels that we should keep an eye on. Right below today's level, we have accumulated volume at $359.97 and $354.60. It's important to note that when an ETF tests a support level, there's always a risk involved. If this support level is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $359.97. If that support is broken, we can look for the next support from accumulated volume at $354.60 and $343.66. QQQ generally exhibits controlled movements and is considered to have low risk, thanks to its good liquidity in the stock market. Looking at the previous day, the ETF had a price range of $4.29 between its high and low, which accounts for 1.05% of its value. Over the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 1.17%. Before we discuss the potential good trading levels for QQQ, let's start by reviewing some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower P/E ratio could indicate a lower expectation for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, which might present a buying opportunity. Today, we'll discuss potential day trading levels for QQQ. If the market is trending upwards, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $409.56. If you don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. If you already hold the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $359.97. If this support level holds, it could present a great entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. For our recommended stop loss, we suggest setting it at $397.08, which represents a decrease of 3.04%. This particular ETF exhibits low daily movements, resulting in lower risk for investors. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 12 days ago. Is investing in the QQQ ETF a good decision? Based on our analysis, we believe that the QQQ ETF presents a potential buying opportunity in the short term. The combination of positive short-term signals and an overall positive trend indicates that the current level may be favorable for investors. In fact, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have identified that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Wednesday, January 17th, we anticipate QQQ to open with a decline of $0.362 and begin trading at $409.16. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. Always consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions in the stock market. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. What are your thoughts on the current view of the stock? We would love to hear your opinion, so please comment below and share your insights. Also, what is your target for the ETF? Let us know. And if you haven't already, remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. We genuinely wish you successful trading and hope you have an amazing day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.